Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update Windows and sign into your Microsoft account so purchases and installs sync. Once done, make sure you have sufficient free storage and a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection to avoid interrupted downloads. Now open the Microsoft Store from Start or the search bar. It loads your account and app library. This step gets you into the app ecosystem quickly, so you can search, install, and manage apps without hitting permissions or sync issues later. You now find the app. Use the search box or browse categories, applying filters like ratings or price to narrow results. Once you pick an app, read details, permissions, size, publisher credibility, and user reviews, because that helps you avoid low-quality or risky installs. Click Get or Install and authenticate if prompted. Make sure to choose an install location if you use multiple drives. While the app downloads, watch the progress in the library. This prevents duplicate installs and helps you manage bandwidth. Once installed, launch the app from Start and pin it to the taskbar or create a desktop shortcut for quick access. Make sure to manage updates through the store library so you keep apps secure and bug-free. Uninstall or reset an app via settings if it misbehaves. If you run into issues, like failed installs or missing apps, first clear the store cache with WS Reset, sign out and back in, then retry. This one troubleshooting step resolves most common synchronization and caching problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.